Hey guys, we have a Wolf Safe Poor People Polygon Prize WSPP. It's here live on CMC. So the market data for this token airdrop is live. You can see the price value, lots of zeros, guys, and it's currently not in best of shape as of recording. So guys, first and foremost, you add it to your watch list. Once you've added it to your watch list, already on the watch is about 5 million persons. Once you've added it to your watch list, this is the official links to the website where you can check for to read about this project and more, guys. We do recommend you make your research before jumping in projects like this, especially in scenarios where you want to make an investment on them. Although we do not recommend such, we this update is basically for the airdrop. So we have time remaining 1 day, 7 hours. So participate in WSPP Polygon airdrop by founder. Get up to 22,000 WSPP. We have 4,846,934 people already participating. So WSPP Polygon airdrop by founder December 3rd, December 22 ends in 1 day. So total airdrop amounts you have 110 WSPP. So guys, these are the steps. Step 1, you add it to your watch list. Once you've added it to your watch list, add WSP Polygon to your CoinMarketCap watch list. Follow them on Twitter. Follow them on the founder on Twitter. Follow all their Twitter accounts. Like and retweet pin posts. Join their official Telegram group, Indonesia Telegram, Discord server. Log into WooFiB dApps with your wallet, and you're good to go. So these are the basic requirements, guys. To boost your chances, also we do recommend you could try and be active on these social media platforms that you're joining. Airdrop value is valued at $50,000 worth of these tokens. So they are going to be looking for just 5,000 winners. So guys, I'll drop in the link in the description box so you can get access to these directly. If you have any question, let us know. Stay safe, guys. Participate in the airdrop, and hopefully you get you'll be chosen. Peace out, guys. One love, and stay safe.